also. Ayun ang Tapalo. So, 1850 pa pala sa sea. Yung ship na yun. Okay. 1850. Grabe, tanda na pala. Kaya si Daddy. And this is, that's the one nung nasa picture. Very old. What do you call this one, Han?
Galleria, huh?
Galleria. It's a Galleria. Go. Go na kayo, Daddy. You get scared, Alec. In the train. I was like, walang air conditioner. Talaga parang open air. So we're in the Waterloo. This is where is London Eye. So nag-take kami ng train from the London Bridge. Ayan, nandito na kami. After ng underboard train. And this is the London Eye. Wow. Same as Dubai. No, it's bigger than Dubai, Han. So ito yung London Eye. Siguro naka more than 20,000 step na kami. But it's okay. Exercise, guys. So this is the London Eye. There is Dubai Eye. I think, Han, is it the same size as Dubai, or you think this is bigger?
I think it's the same, huh?
It's the same. Well, yeah. So here is the London Eye. And I want to take some photo for Alex, syempre. Ayan. Nakarating na kami sa London Eye.
Yeah, baby.
So we did,
Groovy, baby.
we did, what did we go dung underground? How what you call
We
it?
went in the tube.
In the tube, boy, go to katakot.
At the London Bridge.
London Bridge.
Going to Waterloo Station.
Yeah. Ang bilis nung train, grabe. Kakatakot. Pero, yun na nga. It's worth it. At least, we achieve our goal. Namatay yung telepono ko. So, yeah. I think Albert said that London Eye and Dubai Eye is the same size. So, Alec has a picture in Dubai Eye and now she has picture in London Eye. O, diba? It's, how do you call that one? Importante kasi sa akin yun, guys. And that's why also we're doing vlogs, right? Kasi I started doing vlogs para i-document lahat ng mga travels namin. And syempre yung memories. Kasi kahit i-save mo yan sa phone or sa hard drive, minsan pwedeng mawala, diba? So, nandun siya sa Facebook or and YouTube. At least, even paglaki niya, makikita niya yung mga memories. At saka yung mga picture din, syempre. And yun na nga, I did not expect that London will be like this, I mean, to be honest, I expect that it's a little bit, yes, it's crowded, but not too crowded. And it's not as dirty as I thought. Actually, it's quite clean. It's quite clean here. Not like in Paris. Paris is a bit dirty. Tapos, tag dito medyo, pag naglalakad ko dun sa Paris, sa Eiffel Tower, medyo mapanghi. No offense, but that's what we experience in Paris. But here in London Eye and in Tower Bridge, it's quite nice. Quite clean. People are good. And ano pa? What else, Han? So after this one, now it's 1:42 since we ate early snack. So we'll have like late lunch, early dinner for later. So after here, we're going back where we parked the car. And then we're gonna go to a different city in UK. Which city we're going, Han?
North.
North where?
North of London.
Yeah, but what's the name of the place? Do you know?
We'll be in a place called Corby.
Corby. We're gonna be in North. The place called Corby. Oh, yun na yan. So how are you both?
Good.
Are you both good? How's London?
Good.
Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Do you like it? Ano to? Ba't may magarong aura? Yeah, it's nice, right? Bit tiring though. We walk a lot, but it's fine. That's what you get when you travel a lot. You have to walk more, which is good kasi with all the junk you're eating and drinking, at least you have like yung ano mo yung nababurn mo kahit paano. Even though it's not full, pero meron ka pa ring ano activity. Anyway, later guys. And ayan, walking na naman ulit kami. Back to walking. Too much walking. Lakad kami dito para mag-check kami ng how do you call it? Some restaurant maybe? Tsaka anong meron dito. Maganda siya. I mean, I like to come here than in, Tapos meron pa siyang yun, yung bridge. Tapos may carnival doon. So actually, ayun siya, oh, same siya ng exactly the same design ng yung nasa Dubai. Ganyan din yung nasa Dubai. And meron silang some singer. Ganda. Ganda ng lugar. There's a magician here. Wow, it's nice, ah. Yeah, we can. Takot naman ikaw nagpicture kami doon kay Willy Wonka. Sinong nakakilala kay Willy Wonka? Kaso si Alec takot. So si Mami lang nagpa-picture. So magician.
I will say one thing though. I would like to think for watching a 40-minute show, some of you might buy me a drink in a pub. Well, a drink in London costs £10. It's not a lot of money. £5 shopping to watch. That means a lot. Thank you. Inside here, what's your name? Kate. You didn't know that you had a kiwi in the bag all the time after we vanished your money. All the time inside this kiwi was one note, but you went round and showed everyone the signature. If that is your signature in the kiwi, this audience should go crazy. And watch this, that's not the finale. Wait, 2 seconds. If you miss that, here we go. Max, how many balls under the hat?
3.
3. Oh my God, Chris, how many?
A few moments later.
Italy, same in Dubai, they have this one.
Yeah.
So I order like the pasta for kids. Ang laki-laki ng plato.
Look at the
Ang
plato.
konti-konti nito. And then Albert ordered bruschetta with all kamatis. Thank you. Thank you. And for us, pasta. Bolognese something. Thank you. And Albert has that's
Thank you
squid
very much.
hand, right?
Yeah.
Squid pusit na may pasta. Yun ang gusto ko. Bakit ito yung napunta sa akin? So for the two pasta, two pasta small kid pasta. Pambini, including tax. Our bill is 81 pounds, which is, I don't know how much in peso, times 75. Diba?
A few moments later.
Tired, pagod na ba si Alec? Yeah. Pagod na si Alec. Dito na kami sa, ano to?
2 hours only.
Okay.
Not bad.
Dito na kami sa last train station. So, sasakay kami rito. We have to wait. Now, it's 16:43. The train will be here at 17:03. And then, after that, nandun na yung car namin. Grabe. Parang silabog na munok yung book. Ang init kasi kanina, pinawisan na kami. Imagine, lakad, baba. Grabe naman, Alec. Diba? Parang sinumpanan ni Alec yung escalator, Alec. Uy. Wala nang power si Alec. Wala nang charge. But at least, natupad yung wish niya. She saw London Eye. Mas malaki pala ang Dubai Eye kaysa sa London Eye. We're just checking. Tinanong namin kay paring Google. So mas malaki pala ang Dubai Eye kaysa sa London Eye. But yeah, wish come true ni Alex sa birthday niya, di ba, Lek?
Are you tired, Anna?
Tired na si Alex. How about you, Albert? Are you tired?
I'm okay. Just did a lot of workout today and we ate a lot.
We did like 15 kilometers walk today. So we start here like from 10 or 10:30 and now it's almost 5, so it's almost whole day. Naubos kasi yung oras namin kasi puro walking. So, tip number 1, if you want to go to London, make sure that you wear comfortable shoes, rubber shoes, yung pang walking. And plus, dapat pataas ang stamina mo kasi mapapagod ka talaga, hihingalin ka. Ano ka, may isang train maingay. Anyway, later guys.